What up? I'm back again. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of work today. So, like I told you before, I don't really pay nobody to do work for me. So I store my own boat over the winter. I put my plugs out, put antifreeze and stuff in. But that's another show that you just have to watch when I'm storing the boat. So right now I'm getting it ready to start using it for the season. So first thing you want to do is make sure you lube up everything. So you want to come over to your wheels on your trailer because the trailer is part of the boat. First thing you do is pull these caps off, and there's a little grease fitting in there. Squeeze about four things in there. When you get up to this part, you got a couple fittings right here. You pull that cap off and put some grease in there. I already greased mine, so I ain't doing it again. I'm gonna go up here and grease my steering column and all that stuff.
You control it, okay.
What I'm about to do is replace the shift cable bellows. For some reason they always break. So before I pull everything off the back so I can pull the shift cable out. But recently I watched a video and this dude said that you can do it without pulling the back off. So I'm finna find out. So what I gotta do is unhook this shift cable. And what you don't want to do is turn this little thing that got the cotter pin in it. You don't want to turn that because you have to adjust it back if you do. So let me go and get started. Don't use the ratchet. The ratchet is too long, you need to use a wrench. Use the ratchet. Then it start pushing up against part of the carburetor. You can't get it off. Stay in place. Just loosen it up. Inside, I gotta come out of there. Don't drop it in there. So this part right here, this is the guide for the shift cable, and it sits on here. And so when I replaced my bellows last time, I tightened these down. That go on each side of this. I tightened them down, and they put a dent in this right here. So when when they put that dent in there, I couldn't get this off. So just a tip for you if you do that and you need to get it off. I took some channel locks. I put them right here so that this can't slide by it. And then I put the channel locks against this right here so that I can hold it. Like this, it was stuck on here. So I took a long screwdriver and pushed this long screwdriver through there. And snatched on it. So I could get it off. And come around this lip. And then it came on off. So just a tip in case you do that. You want to remove your wrapping for your heat. Basically a plastic or whatever it's made out of. It's a heat shield. Unravel that. My man know what he was talking about, because if he did, save me a whole lot of time. I'm gonna save money regardless, because even if what he talking about don't work, I'm still gonna do it myself. Like I said, I'll put all of this off, this whole back off, to put this one on that's on here. And in a few months, so basically the next season, it was leaking again. And so I read one thing that said only buy Quicksilver. I just bought the one that I saw in the package before, so I got Quicksilver this time. So we'll find out they know what they talking about or not. Basically, my man said just pull the shift cable through and try not to kink it, because if you kink it, then you gotta replace the shift cable, and that defeats the whole purpose of all of this right here. I'm just hoping that he know what he's talking about, because man, that'll save a whole lot of work. I had to adjust my motor mounts and everything when I replaced this thing last time. Shit. My man telling the truth. Hey, you know what this means? This is serious. I'm telling you, it's more serious than you can imagine. See all this crap up in here, all this stuff that I'm put in there, trying to stop this thing from leaking, and all this stuff, all these different times. You know that whatever seal, I forgot the name of that. When that man be on the commercial riding in the boat, talking about the boat won't leak. They cut the boat in half and then seal the boat up, and he riding across the water in the boat. I'm telling you, that's some garbage, because that's what's all on here. I put that crap all on here, trying to seal this up. That junk ain't never worked. The only thing worked was me replacing that boot. And so now, that's what I'm getting ready to do again. Well, folks, I'm happy. I can't even lie to you. I'm using Bellows. Put cardboard on the ground, it's sloppy.